I'm standing in front of a new Johnson model that we just built over here on Crittenden Road. This thing is absolutely fantastic. On this particular model, we did the black gutters, the black windows, we did the black metal roof over the garage door. Come on inside, let's take a look around. As you enter the Johnson model, greeted with the 9-foot ceilings, you have 4 can lights, a really nice ceiling fan with a light kit attached. Very, very inviting space. A lot of natural light. As you move forward into the eating area, we changed this house a little bit from the prior models and gave this space just a little more room. Very functional. As you look into the living room, you kind of see that it's very, very open. If you have company over, if you're having a meal, if you're preparing food in the kitchen, very nice space, very inviting. In this particular model, we added a pot filler, we added the range hood, undermount cabinet lighting, subway tile backsplash. We also put quartz in here instead of the standard granite. Soft close cabinets, soft close drawers, that's pretty standard. Have you ever been in the kitchen in the middle of the night and dropped something on the floor and you couldn't find it? Me either, but tell me if these things ain't cool. Anyways, yeah, so we put the toe kick lighting in the kitchen in here. When you come in to this area here, at the end of the hallway, we have your half bath for your guests. We also have our drop zone. As you come out of the garage, you can kick your shoes off, hang your bags up. We've got a big closet over here on this side. Half of it's set up for a coat closet, the other half is set up for a pantry. But we've definitely maximized the space. I think it's very functional. One of the things that people really like about this Johnson model is at the top of the stairs, you have this really nice landing area. We've seen some people set this up as an office. Some people set it up as a little sitting room. Some people set it up as a game room for the kids. Really neat little space. 3 really nice sized bedrooms up here with a full bath. Laundry room on this house is on the 2nd floor. 3 good sized bedrooms, full bath, and a laundry room. On the 3rd floor, that's where the primary bedroom is. As you enter the bedroom, on one side you have a really, really nice bathroom. On the other side, a big walk-in closet. Recessed can light, ceiling fan with a light kit. We upgraded this room and put the shiplap on the back wall. Really adds a lot of character to the room. So people ask, why do we build a 3-story home? Well, in some situations, there's a small lot, sort of like this one, where you can't really add the square footage out. And then another thing on top of that too, is that it's cheaper to go up than it is to go out. So somebody that's on a budget or kind of needs a budget-friendly plan, it's a really good option for them. Just want to say thank you so much for coming out and touring the Johnson model. Just one of many of the AB Homes floor plans. If you'd like to learn more about what we could do for you in building your new home this year, give us a call, 757-435-9900, or find us on the web at abhomesva.com. Love to talk to you.